Here's a brief video how to install your base to the pole. You'll see where the back piece, where this little nub is, there's a line here. What you're going to do when you get your pole, you're going to find the weld mark on the inside. It'll be a weld mark right on the inside. What you're going to do then is take that line, line it up with the line on here. So once you get it lined up, kind of keep it straight. Once you get it straight, tap on it a little. Make sure your line is still the same. You got the line there, and there's the weld line. What you're going to do is take and put it on a concrete floor. And what you're going to do is kind of keep it even and keep tapping it up and down slowly. You'll hear the tone get a hard, sharp sound. That means it's all the way down. And what you're going to do is pull it up and then take a look. Okay, we still got to go down some. So you're going to repeat that and try to keep it flat, because if you hit to the side, you'll bust the piece off. There we go. It sounds like we got it this time. And yes, we do. So just check to make sure it's square all the way around. There's no gap here between the pole and the piece of hard plastic for the base. And that's how you install them. You could take a piece of plywood or a 2x4, put it up here and use a sledgehammer, have somebody else use a sledgehammer. But a lot of times if you don't have the straightness, you may crack the sides. So like it says, I always use the base, and you can see how it's all the way in there. I always use the concrete floor, and then just keep it straight and level, tap up and down. This is Bart with Mad Dogs Trains. Thank you.